Hey you guys, it's Shruti. Welcome back to another episode of Fashion. Today we are doing some random finds from Meesho and Myntra. So before we dig into it, if you're new to this channel, my name is Shruti. I make travel, lifestyle and fashion content over here. If you like it, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so you do not miss out any of my content. So let's get started. First one is a statement piece. I ordered this in the color emerald green. Look at it. ये cords है and इसके साथ एक mini skirt and jacket आता है. I love how the cords are so versatile. आप किसके साथ भी इसे स्टाइल कर सकते हो. Like mini skirt को कोई और टॉप के साथ स्टाइल कर दिया या फिर जैकेट को कोई और बॉटम के साथ, which is great, right? कैप्सूल wardrobe है, उसके लिए परफेक्ट है ऐसे वाले cords. And yes, I love the texture of this fabric. If you see, it has this designing going on. And इसके साथ यहाँ पे आप देखोगे स्कर्ट पे पॉकेट एंड बटन का स्टाइलिंग है. इवन ऑन दी जैकेट देयर इज अ पॉकेट बटन स्टाइलिंग जिसको आप और भी बहुत सारे वेज में स्टाइल कर सकते हो. आई ऑर्डर दिस इन दी साइज स्मॉल एंड इट फिट्स मी वेरी वेल. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे मैंने इसे स्टाइल किया है थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट वे में. लाइक आई हैव बटन्ड इट अप विद द कॉलर बटन हियर एंड उससे ना थोड़ा सा और इनहांस हो रहा है वो जैकेट का लुक. विद द मिनी स्कर्ट एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट हील्स पहनी है with white color jewelry. That's it. And it's a summer appropriate styling. Otherwise अगर आप winter के लिए इसे स्टाइल कर रहे हो तो wear some turtleneck beneath it, turtleneck top and with the fleece beneath. That's it and you're good to go for the summer outfit look. And it is so versatile. I love the fabric as well, which is suitable for winters and summers. So it's very versatile to have these kind of cords in your wardrobe. So this cords I have ordered from Myntra and the quality is fabulous. The next one is a jacket and currently teddy jackets are so much in trend and winters के लिए काफी trending चल रहा है teddy jackets. If you see this one, this is so cute. पहनने के बाद ना ऐसा फील हो रहा था सच में मैं सॉफ्ट टॉय बन गई हूँ ऐसा फील हो रहा था. I love the quality. It's decent in such amount which they are giving. And इसका chain का quality is okay, but for one time or two time use it's fine. But also ये winters के लिए थोड़े time के लिए तो चल ही जाएगा for sure. If you see the jacket, it has cute detailings like this heart and the bifurcation of this pastel colors and the strings. Everything is so going with the Pinterest vibe. And मैंने इसे size small में order किया है. यहाँ पे मैंने इसे style किया है with neon divider scots and with neon earrings. That's it. And you can style it with any of your outfits for winters and this will give you that Pinteresty look for sure. I ordered this jacket from Meesho and for such price I think you should. The next one is a crop top in a mute tone color and lately मुझे काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. Like the mute tones black, white, beige, grey. These kind of colors are so much happening currently for me and Pinteresty भी लगता है थोड़ा and the vibe is little different with it and थोड़ा सा richness वाला feel भी आता है. So with that inspiration, I bought this cute crop top in grey color and I ordered this in the size small which fits me very well. If you see here, I styled it with the denim skirt. You can style it with any of your outfits because mute tone colors like gels with any of the colors. If you say neon, red, pink, white, anything. So these kind of colors are also needed in your wardrobe. And currently there is H&M and Zara sale is also going on. So you can steal it from there or else I have ordered this from Myntra. So I'll link it for you guys in the description box. Quality of this top is decent and I think you should go for it. So next one is a combo night dress which I ordered from Meesho and इसका price मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है बिकॉज ये सच में मुझे सोचने में मजबूर कर दिया. लाइक 299 में भी मुझे कुछ मिल सकता है और वो भी 2 क्वांटिटी एंड आई ऑर्डर्ड इट जस्ट टू एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड आई गॉट दिस इन द कलर ब्लू एंड बेज. काफी अच्छे नाइट ड्रेस. इट turned out to be. I love the quality actually, decent है मेरे expectation से बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर, because 299 में I thought the quality would be very very poor, but these kind of fabric can be used or can be worn in winters. So yeah, fabric is winter appropriate, I can say that. And look at the pajamas, it has this cute night wala print, stars and clouds ka, and the elastic also doesn't hurt you at all. इसके साथ जो टॉप आता है which is something like this, I ordered this in the size small by the way. This blue one fits me very well, like loose है काफी, जो हम लोग नाइट ड्रेस में प्रेफर करते हैं, but this beige one is little bit tight, so I don't know how the same sizes have different fittings, so वो मुझे थोड़ा सा weird लगा, you can say that. And yes, इस पे जो भी prints है वो भी वही same pajamas में भी है. And second color is this beige one जिसके ऊपर teddy bears and toys वगैरह चीजें हैं, and it's kind of Pinteresty, you know, again I'm saying it because मैं Pinterest पे काफी scroll करती हूँ, and मुझे ऐसी वाली चीजें काफी पसंद आती है, like the styling and the design which they have. It's very cute and have that vibe. Okay, so yeah, I like these kind of night dress as well. But yes, the quality, again I'm saying, it's very decent for 299. So अगर आप order कर रहे हो तो ज़्यादा expectation मत रखना कि ये कुछ एकदम great hi-fi quality का आने वाला है, ऐसा नहीं है, ये decent winter appropriate होने वाला है. So the fabric which is used in these night dress are poly cotton, so yeah, you can opt accordingly. So next one is a fur cape which I ordered from Myntra, and I must tell you, internet influenced me to purchase this item because I was not in a need of it. In this Mumbai heat, it is not required. But जैसे ही मैंने इसे purchase किया, I can say that this piece is required in every wardrobe because it's a statement and stylish piece which can enhance any look or any outfit. Look at it, how much giant this cape is. I love the quality and the fur thing which is going on throughout, and this is something which I want to wear on all my outfits, and it keeps me cozy and warm. It does the work what it is meant for, first of all. And yes, the quality is great, the inbuilt quality is also very nice, and इसका price थोड़ा सा expensive है, but I think it's justified. यहाँ पे मैंने इसे style किया है black shades के साथ and denim skirt, and it's giving that wow and stunning moment all together. And ऐसे वाले fur jackets you can wear it for any of your events as well. And अगर आप कश्मीर या फिर मनाली का प्लानिंग कर रहे हो जनवरी फरवरी में, तो ऐसे वाले fur jackets is a must. You should take it because white snow में ऐसा वाला cape will give you that hot and happening look, so go for it. So next one is particularly something in formals. If you're an office going person or you want that home comfort, then these kind of trousers really help. I ordered this in a combo style from Meesho at a very good price. Okay, very affordable. I love the fabric of this trousers. It's very soothing and great quality, I can say. This elastic doesn't hurt your stomach at all. The finishing of this trouser is amazing. तो मैंने ये size small में order किया है and it fits me really well. Here I styled it with formal top and informal top both, because these kind of trousers can be worn for cafes or for any casual outing. It has lot of combos available and different colors mein, so you can opt accordingly whatever color suits you. All the links will be in my description box, और वहाँ पे check out कर सकते हो. So you can go with it if you're a daily outgoing person and you want that comfort but you want to look a little sophisticated, then these kind of trousers will really help you to style yourself. So go for it. So next one is a teddy fur jacket, and I ordered this from Meesho. I love the quality and the Pinteresty color which it has. Look at it, the quality is fabulous. It does the job. It keeps you cozy and warm. The main reason to buy this jacket is this cap. Look at it. It has this teddy bear ears to it, and it looks very cute and Pinteresty, and it has this kind of sleeves which has this kind of elastic at the edges. Chain quality is fine. The inner side is cozy and warm. You can throw up these kind of jackets on any of your winter outfits and you're good to go. Last but not the least, I have this cute pajama in lilac color which I ordered from Myntra. Look at it. The strips just screams Pinteresty, and I ordered this in the size extra small and it fits me very well if you see here. And the elastic which is there, it's very soothing. It doesn't hurt your stomach at all. It's very comfortable. It comes with one pocket. Okay, I love the quality of the fabric. It's soothing, comfortable for nightwear preferably. एंड येस, इसके साथ ना पेयर अप करने के लिए मैंने एक टॉप भी ऑर्डर कर लिया था इन लाइलैक कलर इटसेल्फ. द वेरी स्मूथ फैब्रिक ऑफ दिस टॉप एंड मैंने एक्सेल साइज में ऑर्डर किया है बिकॉज रात को प्रेफरेबली वी वेयर समथिंग लूज एंड हियर आई स्टाइल्ड इट विथ 4 flats. That's it. So if you're that person who steps out at nights a lot of times, then these kind of night dress really helps to make you look little sophisticated and decent at nights too. So yeah guys, this was it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little haul of Pinterest random finds from Myntra and Meesho. If you did, please do hit a like button. It really motivates me. Share कर देना अपने friends and family के साथ. And yes, comment down below if you want more such random finds. And yes, till then, keep dressing up, keep traveling, and keep watching my videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, guys.